I'm Todd Grafenauer, Murphy Pipelines. As a company, we replace a tremendous amount of water distribution mains, 4, 6, 8, and 12 inch, with the static pipe bursting technology. Common question is what hose pipe materials are feasible to replace? And we really group hose pipe materials into two categories, fracturable versus non-fracturable. Fracturable would be hose pipes such as cast iron, AC, and PVC. These are easier types of projects because the hose pipe material fractures in multiple locations. 12 o'clock, 6, 3, and 9, in which the expander which is coming through, which is 15% larger than the new HDPE pipe being installed, easily pushes that fractured hose pipe into the surrounding soil, creating the annular space for the new HDPE pipe to come through. Versus non-fracturable hose pipes would be ductile iron and steel, which are more challenging projects. Because they can't be fractured, we first have to split them. Using a ductile slitter basically looks like a glorified pizza cutter. First it's split, next the expander helps to open up the existing ductile in which the new HDPE pipe is installed. We traditionally like to stay size on size with non-fracturable or replace thinner walled, such as a thinner walled ductile iron. Thicker walled ductile iron, like a class 54 or thicker, we traditionally stay away from.